Okay, so this video is going to be a bit of a carry-on video from the last one in regards to our fire fungi, which we have here. Now, if you haven't seen this before, go check out the previous video where I explain a little bit more about it. But yeah, so today I'm going to use primitive fire to achieve our fire today, and with the help of the fire fungi I'll be doing the hand drill. Okay, I've got my hand drill kit with me. It's a bit of xanthoria, and the baseboard is silver wattle. Okay, I've been using it a bit. It's a good little kit. I'll just put a new hole in it and we'll start. I've got my tinder bundle here. Yeah, just using a stone flake here at the moment just to start our hole for our spindle. Bit of flint. Humid today, so I'm going to take this off, get a bit more comfortable. I'm just using a bit of flint, just a bit of a stone hand tool. So if you have been watching me or follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I've been hitting the primitive skills a fair bit lately. Just really enjoying it. Just self-teaching. Just a bit of a self-guided journey, I guess you could say, in primitive skills. And yeah, learning a lot. Been using a lot of flint and even some obsidian to yeah, make stone cutting tools, arrowheads and bits and pieces I'm just experimenting with. Yeah, as I said, it's been really fun. Stepping back in time, well and truly back in time. That's pretty good, I think. We'll have a go. Alright, so hopefully you'll be able to make that out. My foot's going to be in the way. It is what it is. Alright, so yep, we do have success, which is good. So there we have it. It's not overly big, so that's where our fire fungi will come in handy. It was stuck up in our notch there for a bit. So what I can do is just group all that together a bit. Take a bit of our fire fungi and just gently rest it there. And there we have that there. So now we've used our fire fungi to increase our odds of getting a fire going with friction fire, just because of the way it smoulders. Yeah, it lasts a lot longer than just the ember itself. So now we can grab our tinder bundle. We can grab the whole lot. And just stick it all in there. You can even chuck the paper bark, which this is a paper bark. Chuck that in there, but it'll be okay, and then I can just close this up. Just making sure not to smother it too much. And just let it build by itself today, because I've got a heap of this stuff. I can just keep adding more and more of it if I was worried that it was going to go out. Okay, and that's the beauty of this stuff. But let's give it a light blow. Done. So there we have it. Fire by friction, hand drill, and our fire fungi. With this and this, you can see how many fires we could achieve. Okay, and being able to transport this, a hot ember from today's fire for the next fire, which will let us think about the next fire mentality type of thing. How we're going to achieve our next fire, in this case primitive fire. It can be a lot of hard work, and a lot of things do go against you sometimes when trying to achieve friction fire, more primitive fire. So having this stuff, being able to transport a hot ember to extend your chances of getting a fire going is very handy, and that's where this comes into play for us. Next video I might do is we'll go into a primitive way of transporting a hot ember, or this, a chunk of this that is smouldering. We'll make a bark carrying device that we can transport a hot ember to another location. Well, that's it. That's all I've got for you. I hope you enjoyed it, got something out of it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Why don't you, hey? you reckon? Hmm?